In this video, you will learn how to overdraft the Navy Federal debit card. First, enroll. Enroll in Optional Overdraft Protection Service. This service allows you to overdraft up to $500 on eligible transactions, such as debit card purchases, ATM withdrawals, and transfers. How to enroll. First, log in. Log into your Navy Federal online banking or your mobile app. Select your checking account. Go to the Manage section under Overdraft Protection. Select Go to OOPS and follow the prompts to enroll. Understand the fees. $20 per fee per overdraft transaction. No fees for overdrafts of $20 or less if your account is overdrawn by $50 or less. Only one overdraft fee is charged per day. Repayment terms. You have 30 days to repay the overdraft amount. After 30 days, you will be frozen, and if not repaid within 45 days, the service of overdraft will be removed. Alternative options. The overdraft saving transfer. Link your savings account to your checking account to automatically cover your overdraft. No fees, but it works like your funds are available. Checking line of credit. Offers a line of credit with interest instead of pre-item overdraft fees. Eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and a member for at least 90 days. Your account must be in good standing with no legal or delinquent activity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.